Today I'll be talking about how to practice and how to improve. When you ask someone, how do I get better? Often they will tell you, just practice Lamau. This is annoying, but it is actually the only way to improve. But not really. The question should be, what do I practice? Well, the simple answer is your weaknesses. If you're bad at something and good at another, you should only practice what you're bad at. And instead of practicing everything and doing 2000 solves. Doing 2000 solves will definitely improve you, as you will definitely be practicing the things you're bad at, but also the things you're good at. So this is not the most efficient method of practice. Hence, knowing what you're bad at will help you improve faster. So let's say your F2L is extremely inefficient, but your TPS for last layer is really good. What you should do is slow solves for F2L, where you don't try to look ahead or turn faster. Just try to come up with efficient solutions. You should also try to learn efficient advanced F2L solutions. And leave your last layer and focus on what you're bad at. Your last layer is really good already. If you're efficient at F2L, but you pause too much, your look ahead is bad. What you should do is untimed solves, where you turn as fast as you can without pausing. So if you're pausing after each pair, then you should start turning slower, where you look at the next pair where you're doing this pair. This will turning slower will make this process easier, and this will help you improve look ahead better. And yeah, you should leave your last layer and focus on what you're bad at. So if your last layer is the problem and not your F2L, what you should do is drill last layer algorithms and learn the good finger tricks. I have a video with PLL algorithms and the finger tricks. I also have a website with algorithms, and the link is in the description. So practicing the algorithms will help you be able to turn faster, and learning the good finger tricks will help you be able to do these turns in a more smooth way and more fluent. So actually the pause between each turn is also less, so you'll also turn faster. But now the question is, how do you know what you're bad at? How do you know what is your weakness? How do you know what you have to practice? Well, what I recommend you do is go to CS timer, go settings, in the go timer, then at the multi-phase, change it to 4. So this means that your solve will have 4 phases, where you have the cross, F2L, OL, PLL. So after you're finished with cross, press the spacebar. After you're finished with F2L, press the spacebar. After you're finished with OL, press the spacebar. After you finish PLL, press the spacebar. So what this will help you do is it will determine how fast each stage of the solve is, and this will help you know what you're bad at. So typically the ratio for your cross, F2L, OL should be around 2 to 12 to 3 to 3. So let's say you're averaging faster, then it should not be 2 seconds, 12 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. It's just a ratio. So if you're averaging 20 seconds, yes, it should be 2 seconds, 12 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. If you're averaging 10, it should be around 1, then 6, 1.5, 1.5. So it will differ for everyone, obviously, but generally it should be around that ratio. So yeah, this will help you know what you're weak at. So if your cross is 1 second, and so your total is you're averaging 10 seconds, your cross is 1 second, your F2L is 4 seconds, but your last layer total is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Sorry. So that means your main issue is your last layer. So what you should practice is a lot of last layer, and yeah, you should leave your F2L, as a 4 second F2L is incredibly fast. So yeah, make sure you focus on your weaknesses to improve more efficiently, and you can improve faster. The things you're good at, good job, but those are not important if you want to improve. So I hope this will help you in your journey to improve, and hope you learn something. See you soon.